You know, culture is not a vulture, if you eloquently think so. I spent my entire life spinning around the globe in a consequential day glow. And I say this because my eyes are bright, my soul stays big. However, let me paint this picture for you. This culture gives me freedom, an intelligent pause, even a calm. Dare I say this culture doesn't derive itself from fear or flight. Some days I may dress very differently from you, or might choose to put my spoon in a colorful or even a tasty dish. You might like cheeseburger, barbecue ribs, I don't know, maybe I like the same, maybe not. Maybe I like chicken curry, maybe I like a delectable fish. But what I do know, what I do possess, comes from a lifetime of education, travel, dipping deep inside my cerebral hemispheres and the recesses of my soul. And yes, understanding. You would be surprised the amount of understanding I have, the amount of collaboration and compassion I have for you. For that's the ray of light, not fear, not light. Everything you see right now is in the past. Think about that. And this very truth gives me the culture of love, warmth, happiness, and respect. And I'm pretty sure if you try, I can say the same of you.